Viewers, barely a month after India showed its military might to Pakistan under Operation Sindoor, today Bharat gave a glimpse of his economic, engineering and infrastructural capabilities. Standing a few hundred kilometers from the border, in his visit to Jammu and Kashmir, first visit to Jammu and Kashmir after the Pahalgam attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated some key developmental projects that will boost Kashmir's connectivity to the rest of the country and help tourism and economy flourish in the valley. With Tiranga in his hand, this was a message for Pakistan that Kashmir is well and truly safe, and it is now progressing. The Prime Minister invoked Operation Sindoor, reminding Pakistan how India avenged the killings of innocents by destroying terror bases in just a few minutes. He also called out the terror state for trying to disrupt the booming tourism in the valley, calling them an enemy of humanity and Kashmiriyat. Listen in.
हमारे पड़ोस का देश मानवता का विरोधी, मेलजोल का विरोधी, टूरिज्म का विरोधी, इतना ही नहीं, वो ऐसा देश है जो गरीब की रोजी रोटी का भी विरोधी है। 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में जो कुछ हुआ वो इसी का उदाहरण है। पाकिस्तान ने पहलगाम में इंसानियत और कश्मीरियत दोनों पर वार किया। उसका इरादा भारत में दंगे कराने का था। उसका इरादा कश्मीर के मेहनतकश लोगों की कमाई को रोकना था। इसलिए पाकिस्तान ने टूरिस्ट पर हमला किया।
And viewers, the highlight of Prime Minister's J&K visit was the inauguration of Chenab Bridge, an architectural marvel that will make your jaws drop. Standing nearly 360 meters above Chenab River, it is the world's highest railway arch bridge, built at a cost of nearly 1,500 crore rupees. The Chenab Bridge can withstand winds up to 260 kilometers per hour and is built with blast-resistant steel and concrete. And it is 35 meters higher than even the Eiffel Tower. Imagine that. The Prime Minister also inaugurated Anji Ghat Bridge, which is another state-of-the-art architecture. It is India's first cable-stayed rail bridge built over the Anji River in Jammu and Kashmir's Riyasi district. The bridge connects Riyasi to Katra and can endure tremors as well as strong winds, which highlights its strength. This project was completed in an astonishing 11 months' time only. Prime Minister Modi has also dedicated 2 new Vande Bharat trains to Jammu and Kashmir. The trains will be operational from tomorrow itself. They will run between Katra and Srinagar, and the journey time will be cut short to a mere 3 hours. The Chenab Bridge, the Anji Bridge and the Vande Bharat trains are all part of the larger and the game-changer Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link project. Conceptualized in 1990s, the USBRL project is a 272-kilometer rail line between Jammu and Srinagar, built at a cost of 43,780 crore rupees. And it includes 36 tunnels and 943 bridges and is built in compliance with global safety standards. With this, we will slip into another very short break. More updates on the other side. Stay with us.